Hello, good morning. It's my second day here at Xingyi. By the way, it's not my dog. It belongs to the owner of the hotel and he is just 2 years old. Look at that, such a beautiful place. I just had my coffee and I am ready for my day. So before coming here, I studied a little bit about this place and wow, it's quite interesting. Like 300 million years ago, it was a sea. Now it's a forest with 10,000 peaks. 10,000. As I already mentioned in my previous video that the people from this province are considered poor and most of them are farmer. Right now, what are you seeing? These are the field of rice, and I guess I'm lucky because it's the perfect time of the year to visit this place. The cool thing about this place is that you don't need to buy any kind of tickets. Like if you go to Kralin or places like those, then it's quite expensive. But right here, I mean the hotels and the food, everything is not that expensive. The cool thing about this place is that you don't need to buy any kind of tickets, and I mean look at the traffic on the road. So like if you're living in China and there is no traffic, no rush, so you'll be feeling like you're in heaven. Well, I don't know much about the public transport. The thing that I know that they don't have the fast train in the city, and maybe that's one of the reasons they don't have too many tourists. If you like my video, kindly follow my page and follow my YouTube channel. Thank you. The link is in the description. See you. Bye bye.